Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the management of mole, hydrated mole and partial and complete moles. Now, as we are saying in our video, we establish a goal before saying the management. What is our goal in this management? First of all, we want complete evacuation of the tumor tissue from uterus. It's not easy. See, it's not very easy to completely evacuate the old tissue from uterus. So whenever possible, whenever is okay, we try to do hysterectomy because we don't want to leave any marks of this tissue inside the uterus. This is our first goal. Second, we need to search for metastasis, that whether any metastasis is there or not, because it can convert into choriocarcinoma. Even 1% chance is there with the simple partial mole that choriocarcinoma can happen. So the most common site of metastasis of choriocarcinoma are lung, brain, vagina. So what we need to do is we need to check for metastasis. The third thing is what we are very vigilant about is we are very vigilant about persistent disease. Okay, because see, again I told you, just doing suction evacuation is not the, or hysterectomy is not completion of the management. We must sure that no other not no other trophoblastic tissue is present in anywhere in the body, and the marker of trophoblastic tissue is what? Beta hCG. So we do the beta hCG serial levels so that we can see the regression of trophoblastic tissue from the body. And sometimes in many high risk cases we can give prophylactic mitotic antimitotic therapy, for example chemotherapy, for example methotrexate. So these are our goals. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is complete evacuation of tumor tissue from the uterus. Let can we select my pen? Okay, complete evacuation of the tumor tissue from uterus. What we do a suction and curettage. Gentle curettage can be used only because a hard curettage can push this tissue inside the blood vessels and can uh, uh, can impact on their metastasis even. So we do a gentle curettage. But if the family cycle is completed, age is more than 40, which is a high risk of having choriocarcinoma, uncontrolled bleeding is there, and if we find an invasive mole is there, then what we should do is hysterectomy. Okay, now search for metastasis. We do a USG abdomen, whole abdomen. For any other abnormalities, we do X-ray chest. For lesion of any choriocarcinoma, we can even do CT brain. If some symptoms of CNS system is there, we can go for CT brain also. Now we should be very vigilant about persistent disease. Even in case of hysterectomy, as I told you before, what we do is beta hCG level. For example, whenever we have done evacuation or hysterectomy, after 48 hours we do beta hCG. Then we do weekly beta hCG until they become normal. And what is the normal level? Less than 5 milli international unit per ml. Weekly we should perform the beta hCG weekly until it goes less than 5. And once beta hCG level goes less than 5, we again do weekly beta hCG test for consecutive 3 weeks. Okay, so just to confirm that yes, The beta hCG is less than 5 is continuing for next 3 days. That's why. Once we confirm that yes, now beta hCG level is less than 5 for consecutive 3 weeks, then we shift from monthly beta hCG. Monthly beta hCG for 6 months, next 6 months. So it is a longer treatment, my friends. Patient must avoid pregnancy for next 6 months. Now, what is a prophylactic chemotherapy? Whenever we think that the high risk of choriocarcinoma is there, we give prophylactic chemotherapy also. For example, the age is more than 40, beta hCG level are higher in lakhs, that means that it can be a complete mole, and there is a risk of 15 to 20, sorry, there is a risk of 4% and 15 to 20% of choriocarcinoma and persistent disease in case of complete mole. If it is a complete mole, in even 15 to 20% cases, there will be persistent disease. So all these things we are seeing here is seen in complete mole. For example, hCG levels in lakhs, 10 raised to 5, large uterine size, and bilateral thecal uterine cyst of more than 6 centimeter. Okay, all these things are high risk of persistent disease, so we give chemotherapy, prophylactic chemotherapy. How we do chemotherapy? We use the methotrexate. Methotrexate is the drug of choice. The one cycle of chemotherapy consists of 8 days. So we give methotrexate 1 mg per kg. IM dose, we give total 4 doses on day 1, 3, 5 and 7. We give folinic acid to minimize the toxicity of methotrexate, 0.1 mg per kg IM on day 2, 4, 6 and 8. These 8 days of treatment completes a cycle, one cycle. Then we give rest of 7 days, and again we give a next cycle until beta hCG level normals. When beta hCG level even normal, we give 3 more cycles even after beta hCG level are normal. Thecal uterine cyst, it resolves itself. We don't have to do a surgical management for that unless it gets any complication like torsion, rupture, like that. We don't need to do any treatment for thecal uterine cyst. This was all about the management of partial mole, complete mole and persistent disease. Thank you.